Good afternoon, and let's have a quick look at all the midday movers in trade today and what is buzzing, what is tanking in trade. Starting with VRL Logistics, the stock is up as much as 11% in trade and it's jumped the most in 20 months after a strong upbeat performance in Q3. The profits of the company have gone up by 54% while the revenues are up by around 1.1% on a year-on-year basis. Now what is leading to this profit is obviously the manpower cost rationalization by the company as something that has led to a 54% jump in the profits of the company. So all in all, a good upbeat set of numbers by the company, and we're seeing that the stock is surely buzzing in trade and the investors have surely given it a thumbs up. Moving on to Gujarat Gas, the stock has surged as much as 15% in trade. One more big mover today, and that is, the shares are up most since its IPO. So since the listing day, the shares have seen the most. The shares have been the most up. So 15% surge after a solid result in Q3. The net profits have jumped by 99% on a year-on-year basis, while the overall revenues are also risen by 12.6% for the quarter, and it's at 2,886 crores. Moving on to Mahindra & Mahindra. In the auto space, we're seeing that the stock is up as much as 6% in trade after the strong management commentary, and as well as the EBITDA of the company has been quite ahead of the expectations, the street expectations, as well as brokerages. Also, some of the brokerages are quite positive on the stock. They see the truck, demand shaping quite well going ahead. So surely that is something we're going to keep an eye out for today. We're surely seeing the stock buzzing in trade. Moving on to another stock, that is GlaxoSmithKline GST Pharma, that has climbed as much as 2.8% to 3% in trade, and obviously this is also on the back of earnings, and we have obviously earnings season is going on, so most of the stocks are buzzing on the back of a good set of numbers which are coming in. So other than that, the companies also swinged into a profit of 157 crore in this quarter. So surely a positive sign coming in from GST Pharma. Now let's talk about a couple of losers. We do have Shipping Corp India, which has declined as much as 3 to 4% in trade after a weak set of numbers in Q3. The net profit has slumped by 55.3% on a year-on-year basis, and it's coming in at 132 crores. The revenues also declined by 31% and are coming at only 841 crores. So surely we are seeing some pressure building in on the stock price as well today, and it's down as much as 3 to 4% in trade. Lastly, we do have BHEL also, which is in focus. After a weak set of numbers in Q3, the stock is down as much as 6% in trade, and this company has this time actually swinged into a loss, and the loss is of around 217 crores versus a net profit last year of around 163 crores. Revenues have also fallen by 23% and are only coming at 4,203 crore rupees. So surely some pressure here, and we are seeing that the stock is also under pressure today. Let's keep an eye out on these stocks and how they actually end in trade today. But today, as of now, these were the stocks that were the top gainers and top losers in trade.